Hey guys, I'm back again with the unboxing of this generic lapel mic, or people call it lavalier mic. Actually it's lavalier mic, people call it lapel mic. I bought it from the Amazon in 128 rupees and it's with free shipping, and you don't need to buy anything with it to get free shipping, even though if you are not a Prime member. And I bought it from seller named Smash Deals. This also works with your smartphone because it has a TRRS connector. So let's unbox it. So this is the packet, let's open it. Alright, packing as expected, as you can expect in a 128 rupees mic. Okay, so earlier I thought that this one has native TRRS input and TRRS jack, but it's actually a TRS jack and it has an included adapter which doesn't seem very strong, so I'm kind of suspicious. So it goes like this here, and if you talk about cable, it's not very strong cable, it's actually a fragile one. And if you'll take this one out, this windshield, it's complete plastic build, but this windshield, this foam is very snug fit. Okay, let's test it. Alright, so I'm using this mic for almost 6 months now, and first of all let's talk about build quality. So build quality is as expected as of a 100 rupees or 120 rupees mic. It's not very strong, it's very fragile, and it's unlikely to survive any tug or anything. This wire will, I don't know, it seems like if you pull it even a little bit, it will come out of the mic or somewhere. You also get an adapter with this mic, and this mic is not natively TRRS supported, it's a TRS jack. It will fit into your camera, it will work with your DSLR camera and laptop and stuff, but it will not natively work with your smartphone. You have to use this adapter in order to make it work with your smartphone. So you get this adapter for the TRS to TRRS adapter, you can say it. So this adapter is also not very strong, it seems fragile, and although it's reinforced at this end a little bit, I don't know, okay, it focused. So you can see it's taped or something at this end. I don't know how much this taping will keep it together, but you know. But interestingly, the 3.5 mm jack of this adapter has gold plating or some kind of plating. I don't know it's gold plating or not, but it's golden as you can see. But the 3.5 mm jack of this mic doesn't have any kind of plating. It's, as you can see, it's platinum, kind of generic. It is generic mic. So that was interesting. Also, I noticed that the 3.5 mm jack of this mic fits very tightly into this adapter. So as you can see, it fitted very tightly. So it's unlikely to come out of it with any tug or anything. So as you can see here, as I told you at the time of unboxing, you also get this external pop filter, this foam filter with this mic. And you can see it also fits very snugly into it. It's not coming out easily. So it will not come out of the mic if there's a lot of rubbing against cloth or a lot of wind or something. It fits very snugly. As you can see, I have to pull it a lot in order to it to come out, and it also because of the shape of mic. But anyway, now coming to the wire length is very short, it's not very long wire. So if you want to vlog with your smartphone or even camera, and you want to put this mic in, so there's two ways you can put in. One, you can plug it into your smartphone or camera and just clip it here, and you can record it like this. But you don't want your wire to show on the video, so you put it inside your what you say, shirt or t-shirt. Like I'm putting this lapel mic inside my t-shirt and then into the camera. So if you want to do that, it's very hard to do. If you do handheld vlogging like this, you hold your phone or camera in your hand, you can manage it. But if you use any kind of extender like selfie stick or any kind of tripod or something, or monopod, I don't think this wire will reach to the smartphone or camera. You have to use it like this, so wire will show on the video, which is not very convenient. So there was that. And one thing also I noticed about this wire is it's very thin, so it's not noise shielded at all. There's no noise shielding. Another thing I noticed is with this clip, this is very cheap clip they provided with a plastic clip. This is cheap mic, so you can't expect more. I was surprised they provided a clip. I don't know, but they have to. So as you can see, this clip, you can it's clipped into the wire, it's fixed into the wire. So when you put it into your t-shirt or shirt anywhere, this mic will not be fully fixed, it will be loose like this and it will be moving around, so there will be a lot of rubbing on your cloth if you're moving. Normally what happens in mid-range or higher end mics, the clip is fixed on the module, so when you clip it in your cloth, the module is fixed at one place, but it's not in there. Now let's come to its performance. So first of all, I used it a lot, and when I use it around any kind of electrical appliance, even a small one that consumes very less energy, it generates a lot of electromagnetic interference. And basically, in order to record the voice clearly, you have to be outside on the road where there is no wires or something. If road has wires over, if you have wire going over road, electrical wire, you will get a little bit of interference. But I used it on a ground where I run. There is no wiring or anything like that on the ground, so then it was recording clearly and there was no electromagnetic interference. But again, in order to record clear voice, either you have to be outdoors where there's no electrical wiring, or you have to be in a building where there's no electrical, I don't know, basically in order to record a clear audio, you have to be going to the woods or something. So in that case, it's, I don't know, for me it's unusable. You can't record audio with electromagnetic interference. It's very annoying to hear audio with that, and I'll give you the example of it. I'll record a short clip with it. Right now I'm recording video in Gcam and audio in RecForge 2, which is a dedicated audio recording software. I can record raw wave format in that, so that's why I record audio in that. So right now I'm going to get up and walk a little to show you how this mic will perform in the vlogging condition. Alright, so as you can see, right now I'm walking. You can hear how much noise it records and how much sound it records. Alright, let's rub it against the cloth if that situation occurs. You can see, now you can hear how it performs. Alright, right now I'm recording from this generic mic into my DSLR camera direct. So as I told you before, I had to keep this wire like this because it will not reach to the my camera otherwise if I'll route it under my t-shirt. So you can see how much electromagnetic interference there is and how much noise it is picking up and how much what is the sound noise ratio. Alright guys, so as I've shown you this mic's recording with the smartphone and also with the DSLR camera. As you have seen, there's a lot of electromagnetic interference, and when it was rubbing on the cloth, when I was recording with smartphone, I've shown you when I was rubbing it on the cloth, it was making a lot of noise. Basically you can't hear the things I was saying, so it was that loud, the rubbing. And I don't know, I think it's unusable. Don't buy it unless you just want to show that I have mic for some reason. I don't know why, but because you can get a good enough mic for like 300 rupees. And I was going to do some other tests too, that how much noise you can reduce in the post processing and stuff, but I don't know, in first two tests this mic turns out to be unusable, so I didn't do those tests. So this was the video. If you like the video, press the like button. If you disliked it, you can dislike it, but tell me the reason in comment section. You can drop your question and stuff if you have any in the comment section, and there will be some videos playing on the screen. If you want to see more videos of mine, you can see those videos, click on those. And also don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon so you can get the notification for my upcoming videos. I hope we'll meet in next video. Till then, best of luck.